Hi, I'm Arianna Huffington, founder of the Huffington Post and founder and CEO of Thrive Global. At Thrive, our mission is to end the global epidemic of stress and burnout that's driving people to live lives that leave them exhausted, harried, anxious, and unfulfilled. So it was no surprise when I saw a Gallup poll revealing that happiness is in decline across the world. But what struck out in the survey was a country that was consistently one of the happiest in the world, Fiji. As I've learned, it's no accident that Fiji is one of the happiest places on earth. It's not just because it's a country made up of beautiful tropical islands, it's because the Fijian people are so deliberate about nurturing and sharing their happiness. Fijians have a term that communicates this devotion, Bula, a greeting that wishes people happiness, good health, and the energy of life. Bula is a mindset, a spirit, and a way of life. To spread the Bula spirit to a world that could certainly use more happiness, there is a Fijian campaign celebrating people who are rich in happiness, not billionaires, but Bulanaires. I encourage you all to share in Fiji's Bula spirit and live like Bulanaires, the people who are rich in happiness. In the meantime, Nisa Bula Vinaka, wishing you happiness and good health.